Once you've decided that Spike Spider is your permanent companion on ice and snow, you won't want to avoid the wintry conditions anymore. On the contrary, you'll be glad about every possibility to use your smart and unique winter protection. Mountains, sun and snow. Enjoy and dream about the peace. To get to know the dynamism of the border zones, however, if you believe the pessimist, there is no pleasure without remorse. Only with prevention and appropriate preparations can this truism be refuted. As a user of Spike Spider, you are clearly in the advantage. Simply remove the hub cover, and in a few seconds, Spike Spider Compact is pushed on the tire, bolted, and a safe and comfortable trip can start. Spike Spider Compact. In 30 seconds on the wheels. The perfect solution on ice and snow. Spike Spider is just as quickly off again. The arms can be simply taken out or folded in. With the possibility of a size adjustment from large to small, the adaptation on different wheel sizes is very simple. Please take the correct setting from the enclosed tire table. Spike Spider must be mounted on the driving wheels. Open two arms outwards, as doing the splits, and fit these either side of the tire at the bottom. Then press the compact from top to bottom fully onto the tire. Push on the locking disc until the red securing button engages with a distinct click. If needed, you can also post-press a little bit with the knees. For dismantling, pull the red securing handle in the center outward and turn the locking ring left or right until the locking disc can be detached. Spike Spider has never been so handy and small. You can fold it up, or even separate the different parts, which is particularly useful when you have a lot of baggage. The storage bag, which is included in the packaging, is extremely useful, particularly in the wet. Spike Spider, the winter protection for your body and your life. Whichever of the Spike Spider systems you choose, the principal item remains the Spike Spider adapter. From the adapter table, you can find out which key width your vehicle's lug nuts have. For the adapter assembly, please use the enclosed mounting instructions. Before assembly, all rim locks must be removed. The fix clips must always be mounted on all lug nuts. The distance gauge shows which distance pieces are needed. Here, the distance gauge shows on the left side size 6 for the Sport and on the right side size 5 for the Compact. Should the dimension fall on a line, please select the next higher size. With the enclosed screws, you can put together all distance variations. The distance pieces must be screwed on the fix clips, and they must be tightened with the help of the original torque handle. It is extremely important to use only the supplied torque handle. The torque handle must be fully tightened until the two lower hangers touch each other. The heart of the adapter is the disc, which is suitable for all 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 hole wheels. Now, the disc must be screwed on the prepared distance pieces, and it must be tightened again with the torque handle. With the last rotation of the torque handle, you must pay attention that the rotation is done in one go. Afterwards, the elegant hub cover will be put on. Hub covers are available for steel and aluminium rims. Now the vehicle is prepared for the winter. Snow and ice can come, and Spike Spider is put on in seconds. The Spike Spider Sport supplements the system. Its similar construction to ordinary snow chains can be seen particularly in tough situations. Before first use, Spike Spider Sport should be fitted on the tyre. And it goes like this. Unfold the arms and hold so that the green chain section points to the road. Put the black or blue arms with the chain onto the tyre and push the plastic ring as near as possible onto the hub plate. Check before driving that you have correctly adjusted the Spike Spider Sport by checking so that your finger fits between tread and snow chain. The size of Spike Spider Sport is very easily adjustable. The metal hooks can be positioned in the first or second hole of the plastic track. Each section must be adjusted evenly. At the end of the green chain section, the hooks can be shifted so that Spike Spider Sport fits even closer on the tyre. Now you can push on the locking disc until the red securing button engages with a distinct click. During start, the green section will automatically move onto the tyre. Spike Spider Sport, for the highest demand in winter areas. All Spike Spider are mounted in seconds on the driving wheels. A totally simple operation. The result? No stress, and always ready for any unexpected situation. With the optimal technology, many weird situations can be easily handled. Spike Spider Sport is small and easy to handle. When folded up, it can be packed into a car boot. The carrier bag included in the packaging protects it from moisture. Spike Spider. Clever, unique, reliable.